Hey guys, Derek Carr here, 8:39, and this is my Saturday evening add-on or fix to my Speed UTV. In November when I was out in southern Utah, the stock Speed whip departed the vehicle. Can't tell you where it went, what happened, or anything like that. So I needed new ones. Found these guys on Amazon for 85 bucks, and I'll give you a little walk around on it. But 85 bucks for the pair, everything that you need. Wired it right into the switch that was already there, and it comes with a little transformer, and you can change the colors and the mode and everything on there. Go from Christmassy and all of that fancy stuff. And like I said, the Amazon next day delivery, 85 bucks. I cut some wires and made it nice, and simple install, but I got rid of it. It comes with enough wiring to do a lot of stuff, and I just got rid of a lot of it and soldered stuff back together. So there you go. If you're looking to buy yourself a present for your car this year, there you go. So the Speed car is pre-wired for all kinds of stuff with this type of connector. This is just kind of like your battery tender type connector. And so the original one had power right underneath here. And there's a little transformer. You can see those two bolts there. The transformer is behind there. And I just powered it into that location. Now, I already had the whip, so I already have it's tied into the chase bar, and you can turn the chase bar on and off back here. So if I don't need the chase bar on, I turn it off up here, and I can just turn the lights on and off. But we just wired everything in, ran a wire over there, and it is all good to go and all set up. So if you're looking for yourself a Christmas present, I'll put the link in the description. And they've got these in multiple sizes. I think these are the 4-footers. I'd maybe go a little longer next time, but there you go. Nice, easy install. Merry Christmas.